Hello everyone. So today we are going to study about internet and the web. So how the internet and web are connected? Internet is a collection of a number of computers which are connected throughout the world, and web, it is an information space. A lot of information is collected at one place, that is called web. So first thing, so we will see the introduction of internet. It is the largest network in the world which connects hundreds of thousands of computer networks over the world. So it is a collection, it can be connected through wired networks or through wireless. Okay, so internet is used for large amount of information access, like videos, audios, images, and some other graphics. So that's why the internet is also called as information highway. So internet provides such facilities that rather than searching for information by relocating to some other place or some other area, we can have the idea and information through cyberspace. Cyberspace means we, it contains the electronic devices with using which we can share the information and ideas. Okay, so next comes, there is no owner of the internet. Everybody has their own responsibility to own their internet. There is no formal management organization. So internet was initially developed by Department of Defense in USA for military attacks. At that time it was called as intranet. Intranet consists of computers which are having areas within their organization. So there was lack of centralization. There was lack of centralization. So to after its popularity, it it started expanding. So so the use of that internet was used for some other purposes after some days. So to access the internet, so we have to pay a small registration fee for the existing network, and we have to agree on some standards which are based on the TCP/IP. TCP/IP stands for Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol. So protocol is a set of rules and regulations that are used for governing the data communication. So after doing these formalities, we can have the access of the internet. So there are various uses of internet. We can send email messages, we can send or receive the files between computers. So in computer terms, for sending the data we say upload, and for receiving the data we say download. We can have participation in the discussion groups, like video conferences, chat rooms, mailing lists, news groups, so that a person can share the information. Person sharing the information is visible to all. So at a time, information is transferred to the large group of the users. We can surf on the web. Surf means searching the information on the internet for our purpose. So the web is nothing but a world wide web. In a shortcut, we can say www. It is a large information space which is organized into web pages which contains text and graphic images. The web contains web pages, and again web pages, which these web pages are connected using the hyperlinks or highlighted keywords, and images which are related to which are used for the related information. Next comes website. A website is a collection of linked web pages which have a common focus. For example, if I say www.google.com, so it will show me the information related to the Google only. Okay, suppose I have searched for the website www.gmail.com, so it will show me the content related to Gmail, like inbox and how many mails I have received and how many mails I have sent. Okay, so every website contains web pages and these web pages are linked to each other. So every website has first web page which is called home page. So the home page is the main page which provides the introductory part of a website. So if you want to access a website, we have to go through the home page only. Again, if I want to, after accessing the home page, if I want to come back, again I have to come back to the home page. So using this we can have the web page. So there are lots of web pages across the internet for various for various set of informations. So one more thing, hypertext means it is a particular type of text which is used for internet purpose. This hypertext is written in HTML, which is called hypertext markup language. It is a special kind of text used for showing the information on the internet. It is not like the original text, and even images we have to embed using the HTML, including video, also the videos and other related information. So the World Wide Web is nothing but a large information space through which the users can access the data whichever it wishes for. It may contain any text, graphic images, audios, videos, the surfing of the internet, the chatting box, accessing the results, and going from one link to another link, uploading the documents. We can have phone calls, video calls, video conferences using the web. And a web page consists of lot of information like audio, video, text, graphics. These components are connected using the HTML, which is the basic language for creating a web page. There are other languages which are in advanced version to create the web page. So every web page contains different content, but if you want to access a website, we have to go through the home page. So the home page is the nothing but introductory part of the any website, which provides information what the website contains. So that's all for today. Thank you. We'll start continue the next session in the next page.